Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a room tour of the Country Inn and Suites in Orlando, Florida. This is the Country Inn on Universal Boulevard, close to Universal. This is the King non-smoking 1-bedroom suite. First walk in, you have a chair and a sofa. Stand with your telephone. You got the flat screen TV and armoire. Got a small little sitting table, 2 chairs and an ice bucket. Then you got one of the mini coffee makers, single serve coffee, a microwave, and a mini fridge. And in the restroom, you have a single sink, towels, soap and shampoo, and a shower tub combination. And now we'll head into the bedroom. And in the bedroom, you have a king-size bed, nightstand with a telephone, and they do have a electric port right there for you, which is very convenient. Charge your phones beside your bed. Small little closet area with an ironing board and an iron. A little dresser. Flat screen TV. And we are up on the 5th floor, which is the highest floor of this property. And from here, this is the view. You can see the Eye of Orlando over there. And that's going to complete the room tour of the Country Inn and Suites on Universal Boulevard, close to Universal. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Follow along for more videos to come. Until next time.